So this video is going to be to show you this new tool that I want to introduce you to called screencastify. This will be a way for you to both show me that you either know how to do something or show me where you're stuck. So if you have something that's a problem and something else is going on and you want to make sure that I've got a chance to see where your problems are, I'm going to ask you to do these recordings and then share them with me so I can look at them for my homework, and I'll get back to you either the next day, either through an email or in class. So what this is going to look like, you're going to need Chrome. You must have Chrome. So for example, I'll open Firefox. If you have Explorer, whichever you have works. And just search for Chrome in whatever search engine. This is Yahoo, which is giving me some random cars and whatnot. But it does give me this first link as Chrome. And this is kind of a spammy ad, but it will be the first link. So there you go, download Chrome. You can download Chrome on the computers even though you don't have administrative rights, and it'll let you download it. Once it downloads, you'll have to open the program or the file that downloads for you, and then you'll run through some setup stuff and just say okay. If you get stuck, ask someone else. A lot of people have downloaded Chrome in the class, so I'll ask everyone to help each other out. All right, so once you have Chrome, you're going to want to look for this thing, which is called screencastify. And you need to make sure it says Chrome, so screencastify Chrome. This is an application that you can download in full, but we're just going to use the web-based version. So screencastify Chrome. All right, so screencastify Chrome is right here. This first one says chrome.google.com. And I can say add to Chrome. I already have it, so it says already added. Once you do have it downloaded, you'll have this little icon here. Right now the icon is showing me recording this video that you're watching. When you do have this window pop up when you're not recording, you'll get an option to record. You want to make sure you select full window. So I took a screen cap or a screen snip right before I started recording. So this is the window that pops up after you hit record. So I made sure I selected the entire screen. If you don't select the entire screen, it will only record what's happening in one window. So if you have multiple programs open and you're trying to show something that's going back and forth between them, or if an error message pops up, that's still not going to show me what that is. So you want to make sure you do select the entire screen. So everything that's happening on the screen will be recorded. And you're going to be selecting, you'll be starting and stopping it. So you'll show me what's not working and what's working. Once you do get that recorded, these three drop-down menus, or three drop-down lines, will give you your options, and you can go to your recordings. Now, this is logged in. This Chrome is logged in for my Levine Education email address, so it records to my Google Drive. All of you with a Google email, and if you don't, you'll want to set one up, it will automatically record everything you've screencasted. And what's nice about this is if I want to send this to somebody or share this with somebody, which is what I'm asking you folks to do, is I'm going to click on one. So this is one of the videos that I recorded a while back, I think for media class. If you click on these little three dots here with the line connecting them, it says share. So I want to share on Google Drive, so this way I just have access to it. You'll send me that link, but you want to make sure that before you copy the link, this privacy thing, if you click on the drop down, you have it set for unlisted, so people who have the link can view it. If it's left on private, I don't know if it'll let me see it, so I want to make sure that you change that to unlisted, and it will actually change the way that link is. So I want to have that, so this way I can just take this right here, copy the link, and then I can go to my Gmail and send it to me. And most of you are going to have levineeducation@gmail.com. Subject, whatever class you're in. So maybe I was working on RoboCell problem. And you can just right click and then paste that in. So there's just a link for me to get it. So I'll get the email. I'll be able to look at it. I can respond to you again either through email or I'll talk to you the next day in class. But that gives me a chance to see what you're working on so you can show me exactly what's not working when you're having the problem. And with a lot of these programs, so example in Premiere, I might just notice right away, oh hey look, the mute button's on if you're having problems with the sound recording. So I'm going to ask you to try to get that up and running and try to record a few things, and then try to send me a shared video. And if you do run into trouble in the future, then you can use that video as a way of showing me this is exactly what the problem is. And then we can either look at it together, I can look at it between classes, and then I'll get back to you. All right. Hopefully you have fun with that. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.